Have you ever felt stuck, unable to achieve your dreams? Do you sometimes wonder if there's a secret key to unlocking your true potential? Many people struggle with these feelings, searching for ways to improve their lives and manifest their desires. Today, we're going to explore a powerful tool that might just be the answer you've been looking for. We're diving into a secret prayer from Louise Hay, a renowned figure in the world of self-help and positive thinking. This prayer has helped countless individuals transform their lives and achieve their goals. But before we get into the details of this remarkable prayer, let's take a moment to understand who Louise Hay was and why her work has had such a profound impact on so many people. Louise Hay was an American motivational author and the founder of Hay House, a publishing company that focuses on self-help and transformational books. Her own journey from a troubled childhood to becoming a beacon of hope for millions is truly inspiring. Hay's philosophy centered around the idea that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality, and by changing these thoughts, we can change our lives. One of the cornerstones of Hay's teachings was the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves, designed to challenge and overcome negative thoughts and self-sabotaging behavior. They work by reprogramming our subconscious mind, gradually shifting our beliefs and consequently our actions and outcomes. This brings us to the secret prayer that we're focusing on today. This prayer, developed by Louise Hay, is more than just a set of words. It's a powerful tool for manifestation and personal growth. What makes this prayer unique is its combination of gratitude, self-love, and positive affirmation. It's designed to align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your deepest desires, creating a powerful force for change in your life. Let's break down this prayer and understand why each part is so important. The prayer starts with an expression of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that shifts our focus from what we lack to what we already have. This positive shift in perspective opens us up to receiving more goodness in our lives. Next, the prayer incorporates self-love and acceptance. Many of us struggle with self-doubt and negative self-talk. This part of the prayer helps to counteract these harmful thought patterns, fostering a sense of worthiness and self-acceptance that's crucial for personal growth and manifestation. The prayer then moves on to affirming our connection with the universe or a higher power. This part helps us feel supported and connected to something greater than ourselves, which can be incredibly empowering. Finally, the prayer includes specific affirmations related to our desires and goals. This is where we state what we want to manifest in our lives, but we do so from a place of belief and expectation, rather than lack or desperation. Now that we understand the components of this prayer, let's talk about how to use it effectively. The key to making this prayer work for you is consistency and belief. It's recommended to recite this prayer at least twice a day, once in the morning to set your intentions for the day, and once at night to reinforce those intentions as you sleep. When you're reciting the prayer, it's important to create the right mindset. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you say the words, really feel them. Visualize what you're saying as if it's already happened. The more emotion and belief you can put into the prayer, the more powerful it becomes. Many people have reported significant changes in their lives after incorporating this prayer into their daily routine. They've seen improvements in their relationships, careers, health, and overall happiness. It's important to note that these changes didn't happen overnight. They were the result of consistent practice and a willingness to change old thought patterns. While the anecdotal evidence for the effectiveness of this prayer is compelling, you might be wondering if there's any scientific basis for its effects. While the specific prayer itself hasn't been studied scientifically, there is a growing body of research on the power of positive thinking and affirmations. Studies have shown that positive self-talk can reduce stress, improve self-esteem, and even boost physical health. When we consistently feed our minds positive thoughts, we're more likely to take positive actions, which naturally leads to better outcomes in our lives. Additionally, research in the field of neuroplasticity has shown that our brains can change and rewire themselves based on our thoughts and experiences. This means that by consistently practicing positive affirmations, like those in Louise Hay's prayer, we can actually change the neural pathways in our brains, making positivity and self-belief our default state. While this prayer can be a powerful tool for personal transformation, it's important to be aware of common mistakes that can hinder its effectiveness. One of the biggest pitfalls is inconsistency. Like any practice, the prayer works best when it's done regularly. Saying it once or twice and then forgetting about it is unlikely to produce significant results. Another common mistake is reciting the prayer without really feeling it. Remember, the words themselves are not magical. It's the intention and emotion behind them that give them power. If you're just going through the motions without truly engaging with the words, you're not likely to see much change. Impatience can also be a stumbling block. We live in a world of instant gratification, but personal growth and manifestation often take time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Trust in the process and keep going. Doubt is another factor that can undermine the effectiveness of the prayer. It's natural to have some skepticism, especially if you're new to this kind of practice. However, try to approach it with an open mind. Even if you're not sure it will work, act as if it will. This attitude of positive expectation can make a big difference. To make this prayer a consistent part of your life, it can be helpful to incorporate it into your existing routines. For example, you could recite it right after you wake up, before you get out of bed. Or you could make it part of your bedtime routine, saying it just before you turn out the lights. You might also find it helpful to write the prayer down and keep it somewhere visible, like on your bathroom mirror or as the background on your phone. This serves as a constant reminder and makes it easier to recite the prayer throughout the day. Some people find it beneficial to combine this prayer with other positive practices. For example, you could recite it at the end of a meditation session, or use it as a focus during yoga practice. The key is to find what works best for you and make it a consistent part of your daily life. It's natural to have some doubts or skepticism about this practice. After all, can simply reciting a prayer really change your life? While it's important to maintain a balanced perspective, it's equally important to approach this practice with an open mind. Remember, the prayer itself is not magic. It's a tool for changing your thoughts and beliefs, which in turn changes your actions and your life. It's not about waiting for external circumstances to change, but about changing yourself from the inside out. One common question is, what if I don't believe in a higher power? The beauty of this prayer is that it can be adapted to fit your personal beliefs. If the idea of a universe or higher power doesn't resonate with you, You can focus on connecting with your own inner wisdom or the natural forces of the world around you. Another frequent concern is, what if it doesn't work for me? It's important to remember that personal growth is a journey, not a destination. Even if you don't see dramatic changes immediately, the practice of positive self-talk and gratitude is beneficial in itself. Give it time, be patient with yourself, and remain open to subtle shifts in your thoughts and feelings. As you begin to experience positive changes in your own life through this practice, you may notice a ripple effect starting to occur. Our thoughts and actions don't exist in isolation. They affect everyone around us. As you become more positive, grateful, and empowered, you'll likely find that your interactions with others improve. You might inspire friends and family to adopt a more positive outlook. Your increased confidence might lead to better performance at work, influencing your colleagues and superiors. This ripple effect extends beyond your immediate circle. By cultivating more positivity and manifesting your desires, you're contributing to a more positive world overall. You're better equipped to help others, to pursue goals that benefit society, and to spread kindness and compassion. Remember, every great change in the world started with a change in someone's thoughts. By using this prayer to transform your own life, you're taking the first step towards creating positive change on a larger scale. Now that we've explored Louise Hay's secret prayer and its potential impact, it's time for you to take action. We encourage you to try this prayer for yourself. Write it down, set reminders, and commit to reciting it daily for at least 30 days. This will give you enough time to start noticing changes in your thoughts and your life. As you practice, pay attention to how you feel. Notice any shifts in your mood, your outlook, or your circumstances. Keep a journal to track your progress and any manifestations that occur. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. What you manifest and how quickly you see results may be different from others, and that's okay. Trust in the process and stay committed to your practice. We'd love to hear about your experiences with this prayer. How has it impacted your life? What changes have you noticed? Sharing your story could inspire others to start their own journey of personal growth and manifestation. Louise Hay's secret prayer is a powerful tool for personal transformation and manifestation. By combining gratitude, self-love, connection to a higher power, and positive affirmations, it has the potential to shift your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your reality. Remember, the key to success with this prayer is consistency, belief, and patience. Approach it with an open mind and a willingness to change, and you may be surprised at the positive changes that begin to unfold in your life. Whether you're seeking improvements in your relationships, career, health, or overall happiness, this prayer can be a valuable addition to your personal growth toolkit. It's not about waiting for life to change, it's about changing yourself and watching life respond to that change. So why not give it a try? You have nothing to lose and potentially everything to gain. Start today and take the first step towards manifesting the life you've always desired. Remember, you have the power within you to create positive change. This prayer is simply a tool to help you access and direct that power. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Louise Hay's secret prayer. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. We believe in your ability to create positive change in your life. Here's to your journey of growth, manifestation, and transformation.